Where that bitch LOD at? All that motherfucking lying that nigga doing in them raps. Can you say one fact, my nigga? Something that you can, man, like, look, saying 16, 16s. My clip holds 60. Bitch, please stop saying your verse. That shit's sweet. Ain't ready for the big leagues. You buy Dove sex and claim that you play with Big Cheese. Took 6 weeks and still this bitch came weak. 16, 7.63s on my hip by the lemon squeeze. Bitch, you too cheap. Don't even speak on my Louis V's. Keep it real. You called me, not talking beef. You spoke softly, tiptoed. Bitch, don't cross me. LOD, your bars weak. Keep it solid. You ain't mentioned 16 popping when you called me. Nigga, stop it. You is not a G. You told me that your cousins had things, and I ain't the only one who got heat. I laughed at you like your cousins, and you not the same. Then whispered in your ear, you get beat like Dr. Dre. I'm on your head like I'm trying to help you cop waves. I lift up and spray like when a jet ski catch waves. So check your mouth. Your bars ain't checking out. You wrote checks your ass can't cash and both them checks bounced. Your bitch ass was just at my house, so cut that feedback. If you need that, you know where Ninth Street at. You tried to lie in your raps, no one believed that. How you got a grip of chips, but living at your bitch's crib ain't never spent a cent on rent, can't be spending it on fits. You never had a whip on my Puff Daddy shit. Had him walking 16 blocks for a bag of chips. You's a faggot, bitch.